Have you ever dreamed of living in a peaceful American village home like this? Stay with me, because we're about to explore every beautiful corner of this charming farmhouse.
The colorful front garden creates a beautiful first impression. Bright flowers and fresh green grass make this entrance feel welcoming in every season. This spacious front porch is a perfect place to enjoy a quiet morning coffee or relax while watching the beautiful countryside. The backyard offers plenty of space for outdoor dining, family gatherings, and peaceful evenings surrounded by nature. A small vegetable garden brings fresh food to the table while adding natural beauty and traditional farmhouse charm. Inside the living room, warm wooden details and a beautiful stone fireplace create a comfortable place where the whole family can relax together. The farmhouse kitchen combines classic country style with modern convenience, making cooking both easy and enjoyable. The dining room is designed for sharing delicious meals, celebrating special moments, and creating unforgettable family memories. The master bedroom is peaceful and comfortable, offering a relaxing space filled with natural light and timeless farmhouse style. The guest bedroom provides a warm welcome and cozy furniture, soft color, and a peaceful atmosphere for every visitor. The bathroom features clean lines, rustic wooden accents, and modern comfort, creating a perfect place to relax. This quiet reading corner is filled with natural light, making it the perfect place to enjoy a favorite book and peaceful countryside views. The laundry and mudroom keep the home organized while maintaining the same beautiful farmhouse style throughout the house. As the sun begins to set, the farmhouse glows with warm golden light, creating one of the most beautiful moments of the day. Thank you for joining this American farmhouse tour. If you enjoyed this beautiful home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Next Level Homes for more inspiring house designs.